I don't know, soup up the motor or something. Put new exhausts on it. But this right here, this would be pretty, like, I guess easier to do, right? Guys, this is what I got. Look at, took all the carbon fiber off. There's still some. We are at the paint shop. This is what I'm using. Let me show you. Right here. This is a quick stripper, 15 minutes, works in 15 minutes. This is actually my second coat. So hopefully the paint is super thick, so hopefully it's coming off. Here's the rim. I don't have a controlled environment, so there is scratches and stuff. But look at, this is the rim before I paint it. So these are index cards. You just slide index cards in here. And that'll keep the paint off the rim. There it is. So yeah, so I'm gonna painting them black, gloss black. Go check out this rim. That's the first coat. And then when I put 2 new coats on, that sucker will run. I'm going to attempt to take my bumper off, my front bumper, so I'll clean my headlight. Alright guys, there it is. The bumper's off. Look at that. That's what it looks like when you take the bumper off. There's the bumper. Alright guys, let me show you how to get these things off. This is the front grille that they spray painted. So what you have to do, you have to lift these, push these outward. Push them all outward. Then pry on it, and it should come out. Of course, they're gonna be hard. but once you get it started, it's not too bad. Just mine's all painted. See that? It's all painted on here. But once you get it, it should come right off. There it is. See it? There it is. You do that for all three. See that? So here's the new piece. This is going to go inside this part. This part is for that. So gonna redo that right now. Boy, they spray painted everything. There's the stock lights. This is Lisa. That rim would have turned out better.
Yeah. They look good enough.
Yeah.
I think. You just gotta clean the tires.
Yeah.
And then once you clean the tires, get the those front pieces.
Yeah.
Once you get all your pieces, it'll look really nice. It already looks really nice. It looks really sporty, huh?
Yeah. That's how you pull that off. These things, look how easy these things break.
Yeah. It's amazing how a little bit of paint and some pieces change it.
A little bit of paint.
And the mirrors, everything changes the whole look.
Yeah. Oh yeah, let me get that cleaner. But look at, see the carbon fiber wrap? The reason we put this on is because it was peeling like this, but look how bad it is now. Look at that. So maybe I'll start modding this since I'm on a tight budget right now with this coronavirus thing going around. But look at, you could see all the white paint coming off. Or look at, let me show you guys. Look at this. You can see it. See it? That's the clear coat. The clear coat. Better. Now I just need the front eyelid things for this. Front eyelash.